Sharp fade Bafetu, as you can see, Ishmael has landed himself a gold plaque. This happens, Jalo Bafetu, when you're in the music industry and your music or your songs surpass a certain number of streams, or if your marketing sales are doing well, you receive a gold plaque. So Genesis is very happy to announce Ugutu Ishmael has gotten himself a gold plaque. As you saw Bafetu in the previous episodes, Ishmael has been doing music videos for his songs. He dropped an album under 2 weeks. He got a plaque. Fundisige, his spiritual father, is very happy to see Ishmael a winner. Ngapha nonobuhle, being a supportive girlfriend. Uyajabula ukubona Ishmael afika kule level afika kuyona. Moving on ke bafethu, Mpumi wants to work with Umaruna lapha e-studio e-Revelation Records. Remember guys, Mpumi did not want to work with Umaruna at the first place simply because Maruna is the top person and she is top notch in music work. She is the one who is experienced in this music thing because also Genesis via Revelation Records. So Mpumi is the songwriter lapana and Maruna is the artist. So regarding what Mpumi saw, Gabriel Eshaya, one of the promoters, the international promoters, as well as Genesis, it frightened her. Okay, Gabriel wenza njena in order to get what he actually wants, you understand? And at some point, I think Umaruna was threatened by Gabriel. Gabriel. So I think that's what changed Mpumi's mind ukuthi asebenze noMaruna. But Umaruna was also shocked ukuthi what changed because ubengafuna ukusebenza naye, we understand. So I guess manje Mpumi is gonna come back to her senses because Umaruna was definitely right. Moving on, bafethi ithandane ke lapha no-owethu noBoko spending time together, but that time is actually spoiled by one person, of which maybe we can all guess lapha bafethu, uGabriel. Gabriel uyafika ke lapha, he spoils the party. Spoiler party abatshela ukuthi he has seen the market sales yase Genesis no Ishmael ithole i-golden plaque. He is the one who actually picked Ishmael from the mud and made Ishmael who he is today. So he has every right to actually get that gold plaque. Ahlale again uyakwazi ukuthi amnike uIshmael ayithathe futhi lo gold plaque, we understand. So he is the one responsible for Ishmael's career. You understand? And I can say Gabriel was a bit more sarcastic because he was mocking Ubonko naye futhi owethu lokho abatshela ukuthi he can't wait for the wedding. Lomjito Gabriel bafethu. But the moral of everything, Gabriel believes ukuthi he is the one who made Ishmael and there is still gonna be war. You understand? On the other side, bafethu, Umaruna is at the studio. Uyarekhoda kuMaruna ke bafethu. So njengoba bekhuluma ekseni benoMpumi ukuthi bafuna basebenzisane and all that stuff. So Maruna was working on the song, but Gabriel sensed yabona ukuthi uMpumi is not okay, and she wants to say something. So he suggested rather a drive together just to talk because Mpumi has a lot on her chest and she wants to actually talk about it, as you can see in the picture. But Gabriel, I think he knows ukuthi Mpumi wants to say something regarding what he did about assaulting, or should I say beating up a promoter. He is an international promoter esebenza lapha eGenesis. So Mpumi could say and I think she's scared, nervous yabo. And on the other side, Massive she comes back to Uwendi. These people seem to have a peace or seem to make peace, you understand? But that's according to Masibushi. I think Masibushi laid low about Uwendi, but Uwendi does not trust Masibushi. So Masibushi came through to deliver the news. Umfundisi lo tesocela imali kuWendi because Wendi gave the pastor 8,000 rand. Unfortunately scammed Wendi, you understand, because the church actually gave umfundisi enough money. So umfundisi usehambile actually kwama uhambile waya eMusina with imali kaWendi. So Masibushi came to break in the news ezofuna nothapha webakhe laba abanikile oWendi efike namagwinya yabo ahambe nomfundisi amagwinya khona futhi. On the other side bafethu the two bros, the two brothers Mafito also in Ishmael are celebrating. They're celebrating a win ka Ishmael. As you guys saw, also Ishmael got a gold plaque, which means he's leveling up. You understand that his music career is actually doing well. Music career it's aligned. So they're celebrating as brothers. On the other side, she got scammed 8,000 rand from Umfundis. By Umfundis. Umfundis Tatimali Wabale. So now nje ufuna utracker umfundisi yabo. She believes ukuthi she can still get and track down umfundisi and get her money because imali yakhe uyayifuna yena yabo. Marona ke yasho ukuthi she warned her mom ukuthi she mustn't start the loan shark business because izomqala. You understand? But go and they did not listen because when they turn like imali uyayifuna imali yena uqhubekile ne loan shark business. You understand? So ifuna imali yakhe uwende and her money disappeared. You understand? So Maruna does not have any interest, but I can say she's willing to help uwende ukuthi ayithole le mali yakhe, which is gonna be more difficult yabona ukutracker umuntu oseMusina. I'm not sure how big Musina is, but I do think it's a wide place. You understand? Let's hope uwende gets some money though. So Gabriel takes Mpumi out on a gun shooting experience. You understand? And I'm telling you, it's okay. Gabriel is telling Mpumi ukuthi she is not his type, but at the same time, he likes Mpumi because of her eyes, and she's ambitious, and she is the right person that he can build the legacy that he wants to build with. Understand? He believes that Mpumi now can build one legacy. Understand? Of which is Revelation Records. So I do think with Gabriel, we are going to okay, sharp. He's losing something at the same time he's gaining something. So if as a loser Mpumi, it's gonna be kind of a loss for him, but not really, because we all know personally, guys, I do think Gabriel is using Mpumi, but Mpumi is too blind to see that. You understand? Okwamanje Mpumi ususwa indlela zika Gabriel. Yabona, Gabriel's actions are actually scaring Mpumi by beating up people, threatening journalists and whatsoever. So that was the first time Mpumi saw Gabriel acting alangela. That's why she's so frightened. Yabona, she's so uthukile nje yabona. But on the other side, they were afraid to Genesis. So there was a raid. Policemen came through to actually search for drugs. You understand? Now Genesis. Because remember, well, back then, guys, Ishmael babemfunza ama-drugs, efunza uMsizi, efunzwa now Gabriel. And now it's getting back to Genesis ukuthi bazosesha ama-drugs lapha office. As you can see, maphoyisa afikile. Genesis was in a meeting with international businessmen. Now, I think they were rolling out something for Ishmael. I think it was that gig, Ishmael, let's say USA. So there was a board meeting, obviously, and everyone is actually proud of Ishmael. But Ishmael now solwa for using drugs, of which he did use drugs, but he promised Umsizi which he's not gonna rat out Umsizi. And I think he knows Ugutu Gabriel was involved, but the person who was actually luring Ishmael was Umsizi, you understand? And Manjilia should point out would say nae sola Ishmael. There are drugs in the room, you understand? And Ubongo is trying by all means to actually save his business and save the clients that he's trying to work with in order to elevate Genesis. Elevate. But policemen do not believe anything. So policemen came in there, they were wild. Or Felicia, should I say, more and she also started like protecting Ubongo and her business, you understand? So capital part of her face, but I do think Gabriel is behind this trap. I frame Genesis ngama drugs, because who else can frame Genesis ngama drugs? But it's gonna come back to him because he was the one who initiated drugs. On the other side, Bafethu Masibushi has come back. Masibushi ufunela uTupperware wakhe. She just wants her Tupperware lunchbox. Maseyaphuma phela kuwe, you understand? Kanti when it took i-lunchbox Masibushi namagwinya phakathi and gave it to umfundisi. Umfundisi uhambile unyamalele ulaphana eMusina nemali yaka Wendy 8,000, and Masibushi has come there to actually want into yakhe. Ngapha Wendy amtshela ukuthi no, akamkhola Masibushi. Yabona, she's lying. Because Masibushi has made peace, Kanti hasn't made peace as yet. So when I'm called Masibushi. So Mpumi Bafethu kuye laphana ke yabona uyadubula, she was doing well, you understand? I don't know why Gabriel took her out on this, but ke ngathi khamba kahle yabona. She was shooting well, I guess. On the other side, Bafethu ke bonke ufremekile, and the whole Genesis is framed because these clients don't want to listen to Ubongo about regarding the drug issue. These people are saying they can't work with drug dealers and criminals because they don't believe in Ubongo since the police came through. Genesis is a gospel music business. So Gabriel, I believe, is the one who is actually behind this whole framing thing. You understand? Mbona Bonko is trying by all means to don't say a client. Ishmael Bafetu knows the story, and I do think he is gonna speak the truth very soon because he knows something. He knows the truth. But I'm just hoping that Ishmael opens up soon in order for Genesis to be saved. Now, if it's right, or even though I do think it's gonna be a setback for Ishmael, but it's better to actually speak the truth before the truth bites him. I understand that, and actually spoils everything for Genesis, because Ubongo is working very hard to elevate everyone's career, especially Ishmael's career in Genesis. So as you can see, Bafetu, Bongo lost clients, and that's a bad move. That's a bad thing for him, you understand? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bafetu. Thank you.